Good morning students. In this video we are going to solve think, discuss and write on page number 122. Now first question is, can you have a triangle with two right angles? Students, in this question it is asked that is it possible a triangle with two right angles? Now we try to draw a triangle with two right angles. We know that right angle means 90-degree angle. Therefore, this is first side of a triangle and we have to draw two right angles. Therefore, at this point, this is first right angle and at this point, this is second right angle. Therefore, we observe that these two sides are parallel to each other. These two sides are parallel and they never meet each other. Therefore, here triangle is not possible. Therefore, answer of this question is no. Now, second question. Can you have a triangle with two obtuse angle? In this question it is asked that is it possible a triangle with two obtuse angles? Now here we try to draw a triangle with two obtuse angles. Now this is one side of a triangle. Now at this point we draw first obtuse angle and at this point second obtuse angle. Then we observe here these two sides never meet each other. Therefore, here triangle is not possible. Therefore, answer of this question is no. Now, third question. Can you have a triangle with two acute angles? Here in this question, it is asked that is it possible a triangle with two acute angles? Now we try to draw a triangle with two acute angles. Therefore, this is one side of a triangle. If you draw here at this point one acute angle means less than 90 degree. Therefore, this angle is less than 90 degree. Now, here also acute angle. If you draw here one acute angle, now this is acute angle, this is acute angle, and these two lines are meeting at this point. Therefore, here triangle is possible. Therefore, we can say that it is possible a triangle with two acute angles. Therefore, answer of this question is yes. Now, question 4. Can you have a triangle with all the three angles greater than 60 degree? Students, we know that angle sum property of the triangle. In any triangle, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Now here we have to take three angles greater than 60 degree. That is 62 degree, 63 degree and 65 degree. Or you can take any angles which are greater than 60 degree. If you add these three angles, then additionally 62 plus 63 plus 65 is equal to 190 degree, and which is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore, it does not match with angle sum property of the triangle. Therefore, we can say that it is not possible a triangle with all the three angles greater than 60 degree. Therefore, answer of this question is no. Now, next question. Can you have a triangle with all the three angles equal to 60 degree? Here we have to take all three angles 60 degree. Therefore, 60 degree plus 60 degree plus 60 degree. Addition is 60 plus 60 plus 60 is equal to 180. Therefore, here addition of three angles is 180 degree and it is matched with angle sum property of the triangle. Therefore, we can say that here triangle is possible with all the three angles equal to 60 degree. Therefore, answer of this question is S. Now, next question, that is sixth question. Can you have a triangle with all the three angles less than 60 degree? If you take three angles of a triangle which are less than 60 degree, that is 55 degree, 56 degree and 59 degree, or you can take another measure angles which are less than 60 degree. If you add these three angles, then 55 plus 56 plus 59 is equal to, addition is 170 degree. Therefore, addition of three angles is less than 180 degree, or addition of these three angles is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore, we can say that here triangle is not possible with all the three angles less than 60 degree. Therefore, answer of this question is no. Students, I hope it is understood to you. Thank you.